Okay, serious question. Would you be willing to bet $100 that you're not overspending for your commercial truck insurance? Most people wouldn't. Your insurance company, well, they know this. In fact, 70% of truck drivers do not shop for their trucking insurance like they should. It's not a fun and easy process. You have to call all these companies, big ones, small ones, local ones, national ones. But look, I'm going to give you an easy way to get it done. The Annandale Agency. They're an agency that can shop over 50 different insurers and provide you with multiple quotes, making sure you get the lowest down payment and the most affordable monthly payment. New venture, prior accidents, doesn't matter. So if you wouldn't take that $100 bet, click the link below and just answer about 4 simple questions to get you started. Only 2 things can happen, and they're both good. One, you find out that you're paying the least amount you could be paying for your trucking insurance in this country, which is very good and a win for you. Or 2, you find that you've been overspending and you start saving money today. So again, click on the link below to find out.